Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good morning. Nice to meet you again. Okay, continue with 1.3 about classification of organic compound. Organic compound are classified according to the functional group and the homolog series. Functional group, that is very important. Why? Because it will show the characterize the molecule and the enable it to react in specific way. Meaning here, if we have a same functional group, meaning it will have a same characterize of molecule, and it will have the same specific way in its reaction. Functional group are important because a basic by which the organic compound are divided into different classes or family or homolog series, and the naming of organic compound will be different, and a particular functional group will always undergo similar type of chemical reaction. If you have a same functional group, mean it will have same chemical reaction. This is the table that show you the homolog series and its functional group. Homolog series example is your alkane. It will not have any of functional group. The structure will be single bond. This is example. And alkene is your homolog series. The functional group, we will call it as carbon-carbon double bond. This is the structure of carbon-carbon double bond, and this is the example. And then for alkyne, the functional group is carbon-carbon triple bond. You have triple bond, my dear, and this will be the example of compound of your triple bond. And the fourth one is aromatic or arene, the homolog series. The functional group, we call it as benzene ring. This is the benzene ring. The structure show the benzene ring, and this is example. And then alcohol, the functional group is hydroxyl. The spelling is very important in this topic. Make sure you spell it correctly. Alcohol hydroxy, XYL. This is the structure of your alcohol, and this is example of the compound. And phenol will be of two, consists of hydroxyl and consists of benzene ring. You have hydroxyl, OH, you have benzene ring. This is example of the compound, we call it as phenol. It have the benzene ring and it have the hydroxyl functional group. And haloalkane is your halogen. Example in group 17, this is example of a compound. And then ether, my dear, ether, the functional group is alkoxy, XY, not L here. Okay, this is the structure of ether, OCC. Okay, this is the complete example of ether. And then the aldehyde, homolog series of aldehyde, and functional group, we call it as carbonyl. This is the functional group of your aldehyde. This is example of aldehyde. And the example of ketone, ketone is your homolog series. The functional group will be carbonyl. Okay, I'm very sorry, this is the wrong structure. Should be C double bond O. Here should be R and R, or C and C. Help me to correct it, okay? C double bond O, C, C for this example. This is the complete example. And then the carboxyl acid, functional group carboxyl. This is example of carboxyl acid. C double bond O, C double bond O. Here should be OH. Example is this. Okay, and then your ester, the functional group, we call it as carboalkoxy. C double bond O, and then you have the carbon. This is example of ester and acyl chloride, C double bond O Cl. This is the structure of acyl chloride. This is the compound, example of compound of acyl chloride. And then we have amide. The amide is carboxamide for the functional group. Here will be the structure of amide. C double bond O, C is attached to N, and this is a complete structure of carboamide, example of carboamide. And we have amine. The functional group will be the name of amino, is amino, and then nitrile, the functional group is called as cyano, C triple bond N. Okay, this is the example for the example 4. Identify the functional group in the following molecule. Okay, we look here. Okay, how? Okay, you can circle it. Identify mean you have to circle it. This is carboamide. You have carbonyl. You have amine. It will be carboamide. You have carboxyl. You have C double bond O OH. This is your carboxyl acid. The functional group is carboxyl. And then you circle your carbon-carbon double bond. This is carbonyl. This is halogen, hydroxyl, and this is benzene ring. Okay, homolog series shows the homolog general characteristic of homolog. It represent by the same general formula. Each member unit will be differ from the next member by CH2 unit, and the physical property chain gradually increasing by the molar mass, and it will have similar chemical properties, and it can be prepared by the same method. Okay, example here for the series of alkene, the general formula CnH2n. Alkene is C double bond C. The homologs example, you have carbon 2, you have carbon 3, you have carbon 4. Okay, all of here consists of the alkene. When we look at the physical properties, 2 carbon, the boiling point will be negative 104, and then negative 47, negative 0.5 degree Celsius. And the functional group here is your carbon-carbon double bond. Your homolog series, we call it as alkene, and the chemical properties, it will be same for ethane, propane, and butane, is undergo electrophilic addition. And preparation here, how to produce the alkene by using dehydration of alcohol. Using dehydration of alcohol, you can produce ethane, propane, butane from the same dehydration of alcohol. Okay, this is example of draw 3 carbonyl compound of a molecular formula C4H8O. It says about carbonyl, you should know that carbonyl mean aldehyde and ketone. The first thing you should know when we says about carbonyl, mean here what we have carbonyl, the formula of carbonyl is C double bond O. Carbonyl, you have 2 carbonyl. One is your aldehyde. Okay, the other one is your ketone. Carbonyl is your functional group. aldehyde is your homolog series, your ketone is your homolog series. What is different? If that is aldehyde, the formula will be C. Okay, should be C double bond OH, and this is R. R is your carbon, and for ketone it will be C double bond O R R. R is your C. This is different between aldehyde and ketone. From here, when you know the general formula for ketone and aldehyde, carbonyl, thereby you can draw 3 carbonyl compound of molecular formula C4H8O. Okay, that's all for today for 1.3. Make sure you understand it. You have to remember the homolog series and the functional group for each of the organic compound. Assalamualaikum and thank you.